Hi kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to read Sani and Suri. So, are you ready to listen to this story? Then let's start. Sani and Suri. Sani had a small cat. Its name was Suri. Sani loved Suri very much. Sani loved playing with Suri. One day, Sani came home from school and called Suri. But Suri didn't come. So Sani looked for Suri inside the house. Then she looked outside in courtyard, but she couldn't find Suri. Sani looked upstairs and downstairs, but she couldn't find Suri. Sani went to curb. She looked up the street. And down the street, but she couldn't find Suri. She looked at the foot of a tree. And at the top of the tree, but she couldn't find Suri. Then Sani met a great big cat. And she met a tiny little cat, but she didn't meet Suri. Sani met a black cat. And a white cat, but she didn't meet Suri. Sani saw a fat cat. She saw a teen cat, but she couldn't see Suri. Sani saw a long cat. And she saw a short cat, but she couldn't see Suri. Sani saw a cat with long legs. And a cat with short legs, but she couldn't see Suri. Sani found a clean cat. and she find dirty cat, but she couldn't find Suri. Sani searched under here. And she searched under there, but she couldn't find Suri anywhere. Sani began to cry. Suri heard Sani crying. Suri finds Sani. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Then, see you on next video. Goodbye.